Okay, on today's episode, we got another unboxing. This one I'm pretty excited for, and I think you'll see why fairly soon. Oop. My other new ballad song. You can see it's that beautiful, glowing, iridescent blue. Let's see. Ooh, we get all kinds of goodies. We got our arena accessories case. Ooh. And 10% off your next knife order. Okay. Okay. Um, well, I can say without a doubt that is not what I expected. Um, Blades razor sharp. Uh, yeah, I did not expect sandwich construction. That is not what I expected. It is tiger stripe, which I expected, but uh, yeah, I did not expect sandwich construction style. Compared to my other one, this one's got totally different handle scales. It's still tight, which is to be expected. It's new. It is a live blade, though, which I will say is one nice thing. What does it say on the blade? SCR3 steel blade. Um, yeah. Uh, but but yeah, I'm not really sure what to say because yeah, I didn't quite expect a couple of things with this that I did end up getting, which is one, I expected these to be raised, not embossed. Um, the way it is, it's cut in, but I expected it to be more like this one where they're like clearly a raised section and they are raised in some sort of plastic, but on this one it is completely embossed. It's not raised at all. Um, Channel construction again. Did not expect that at all. But the blade on it though is it meets my expectation. It's just I mean, hey, it's cool to have variety, I guess. I will say the latch is maybe not what I would consider good. Um, yeah, right out of the box, and yeah, like that is. I mean, it works, but that is kind of atrocious for what I paid for it, which, by the way, $35. It's kind of a train wreck for 35 bucks. Compared to this guy's like 20, 22, which is about what it's worth. And I will say the blue is not this deep in real life. Well, I mean, it kind of is under the right lighting, but it's much more of an iridescent blue. But yeah, that is Ooh, will it even fit in the arena bag that it came with? Oh, it does not. It does not fit in the bag that it came with. Um, yeah, does not fit within the bag. Maybe if we turn it around, tried, nope, still doesn't fit. There's still a little giblet of it poking out. So, yeah. Um, Not displeased, but not terribly happy either. Like, I mainly bought it for the blade, like that I will say. And the blade looks great. Like, don't get me wrong, the blade looks amazing. But the handles are not what I expected. I mean, oh, great. And we already got screws coming out. Oh, wonderful. But wonderful. We already got screws coming undone. And it's been out of the box for 10 minutes. So yeah.